Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am a passionate educator here to help you ace your math and science exams. In our last video on quadratic equations, we solved some tricky word problems using factorization. But what if factorization doesn't work? That's where today's topic comes in. Today, we are going to learn about the ultimate tool for solving any quadratic equation, the quadratic formula. It's a game changer, and by the end of this video, you will be able to solve any quadratic equation with confidence. So, let's dive in. First, let's remember the standard form of a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here a, b and c are coefficients or just numbers. Now here is the formula that saves the day. This formula looks complicated, but it's not. All you need to do is identify the values of a, b and c from your equation, plug them into this formula and solve for x. Simple, right? Let's try an example. Let's solve the equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is 1, so a equals to 1. The coefficient of x is 5, so b equals to 5, and the constant is 6, so c equals to 6. Now we will substitute these values into our formula. Let's simplify this step by step. Now we have two solutions because of the plus minus sign. For the positive sign, x equals to minus 5 plus 1 upon 2, we get minus 4 upon 2, which is minus 2. And for the negative sign, x equals to minus 5 minus 1 upon 2, which is minus 6 upon 2, which equals to minus 3. So the two solutions are x equals to minus 2 and x equals to minus 3. That's it. Let's try one more, a little bit more challenging. 2x square plus 7x equals to minus 3. First we need to get this into the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now a equals to 2, b equals to 7 and c equals to 3. Let's plug these into the formula. Again, we have two solutions. So our solutions are x equals to minus 1 upon 2 and x equals to minus 3. See how easy it is once you know the process. There's a special part of the quadratic formula that tells us about the nature of the solutions without even solving the whole thing. It's called the discriminant. It's the part under the square root sign. d equals to b square minus 4ac. The value of the discriminant tells us whether our equation has two solutions, one solution, or no real solutions at all. Case 1. If d is greater than 0, you will get two distinct real roots. This is what we saw in our examples today. The discriminant was 1, which is greater than 0, so we got two solutions, -2 and -3. Case 2. If d equals to 0, you will get two equal real roots. Let's see the quick example for this. Case 3. If d is less than 0, you will get no real roots. Let's have a look at the example. Here the discriminant is -3. Since you can't take the square root of a negative number, there are no real solutions. Understanding the discriminant is super useful for checking your answers and for problems where you only need to know the type of solution. So there you have it. The quadratic formula is a powerful tool that makes solving quadratic equations simple. Remember to identify A, B, and C correctly. Plug them into the formula and solve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more math and science videos. See you in the next video.